Hey there! Today we're diving into a problem related to C++ code that involves the use of concepts and type traits. The problem arises when trying to design a function that checks if a given type acts like a pointer and handles the noexcept specification accordingly. The solution to this problem involves creating a workaround to ensure the noexcept expression is always well-formed. By introducing a separate function called noexcept_checked, we can correctly handle the evaluation of the operands and prevent any errors. This function utilizes context-based logic to determine whether the type is a pointer or not, then checks the noexcept expression accordingly. Continuing with the solution, the function func is declared with the noexcept specifier utilizing the noexcept_check function we created. This ensures that the noexcept expression is correctly evaluated based on the type being passed to the function. By incorporating this additional level of indirection, we can address the issue of short-circuiting not applying to the well-formedness of operands in C++. In summary, we've successfully resolved the problem by implementing a workaround that handles the evaluation of the noexcept expression in a well-formed manner. By introducing the noexcept_check function and modifying the func function declaration, we ensure the code functions correctly and avoids any errors. Remember, when in doubt, add another layer of indirection. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. Happy coding!